To remove the motherboard, first remove the access panel, the front bezel, the drives cage, and the fan duct. Remove the PS2 and serial port module if installed in the unit, as well as any expansion cards. Remove system memory and the wireless LAN board. Remove the option board, the M.2 drive, and the SD card reader if installed in the unit. Remove the front EMI bracket, the heatsink, and the CPU. When removing the CPU, install a socket cover on the load plate window before replacing the load plate over the socket. Detach all remaining system connectors to the motherboard. Remove the 8 Torx 15 screws that attach the motherboard to the PC. Tip the front edge of the motherboard up and carefully pull the motherboard out of the unit. Place the motherboard in an anti-static bag. To replace the motherboard, carefully tip the rear edge of the motherboard into the unit. Clear connectors away from the edge of the board as you press the motherboard down into place. Replace the 8 Torx 15 screws to secure the motherboard to the unit. Replace all connectors to the motherboard.